You can turn your clothing product photos into a professional product video using a model generated by Meta AI. It's easy, completely free, and comes with no watermark. Step 1. Adjust the aspect ratio of your product photo. Meta AI generates results based on the aspect ratio of your reference image, so make sure it's properly set. You can use Photopea or any other photo editing app to crop or resize your image to the desired ratio. Step 2. Log into Meta AI, either directly or via your Facebook account. Step 3. Upload your product photo with the adjusted aspect ratio. Step 4. Enter your prompt based on your creative needs, or use the sample prompt provided in the description and modify it as you like. Step 5. Click Generate, review the results, and choose the best one to animate. You can also reuse your generated Meta AI images to create additional video scenes for a more dynamic product ad. Good luck and have fun creating.